Potential and Kinetic Energy by Lauren Smith, Erica Langford, Asher Reminga, and Jaquan Sims. First of all, I'm going to explain the different types of potential energy. Gravitational potential energy comes from an object's mass and its height above ground. Elastic potential energy comes from how much an elastic object has been stretched or compressed, and how difficult it is to compress or stretch. Chemical potential energy comes from the position and arrangement of an object's particles and uneaten foods. Electrical potential energy comes from the position of electrically charged objects relative to each other and the amount of charge they have. Magnetic potential energy comes from the position of magnetic objects relative to each other. Nuclear potential energy comes from the nucleus of an atom. And last but not least, kinetic energy is the movement such as a car moving on the highway. And let's begin. Mr. Watson wants to go bungee jumping one day. When he goes to jump in gravitational potential energy, the bungee cord breaks. Elastic energy. He falls in the water below, he swims to shore, and gets out of the water. He gets to his car to drive to McDonald's. When he gets there, he orders a Happy Meal. Sounds delicious, right? Chemical potential energy. After he eats his food, he drives home, kinetic energy, and makes some popcorn so he can enjoy a movie with his wife. How romantic. But he gets electrocuted and burned. Electrical potential energy, and puts butter on it. So he walks to the refrigerator just to put the butter on it, right? But he has no band-aids, so he drives to the store to get some. But on the way, he was picked up by a giant magnetic potential energy, and then he gets dropped into a factory with radioactive waste, nuclear potential energy, and gets blown up and dies. Rest in peace, Mr. Watson. We love you dearly.